Hello everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I will be discussing about vitamins in detail. So about the chemical name, function and deficiency symptom of each vitamin I will be discussing in this video. So in my previous video I have discussed about vitamins and their classification. If you have not watched that video, I'll be giving the link in the description box. Please do check out. So first we'll see about fat soluble vitamins. There are four fat soluble vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. So now let us see each one of them in detail. So vitamin A. So this vitamin is chemically called as retinol. It plays an essential role in vision, and if there is a deficiency of this vitamin in the body, that may leads to the condition called night blindness and xerophthalmia. So the next vitamin is vitamin D. So this is chemically called as calciferol. So this helps in increased calcium absorption and also plays an important role in calcium deposition on bones. So deficiency of this may leads to the condition called rickets. So next vitamin is vitamin E. This is chemically called as tocopherol. So it acts as a good antioxidant and it is also called as anti-sterility vitamin. So if there is a deficiency of this vitamin in the body, that may cause reproduction failure. So the next and the last fat soluble vitamin is vitamin K. So this vitamin is chemically called as phylloquinone. It is synthesized by the bacteria in the large intestine. It helps in clotting of blood and it also prevents excess bleeding. Deficiency of this may lead to a faulty blood clotting. So next we'll see about water soluble vitamins. So usually water soluble vitamins are of two kinds. So B complex vitamins and non B complex vitamins. So there is only one non B complex vitamin, that is vitamin C. So now let us see each vitamin. So there are 8 B complex vitamins. So first one is vitamin B1. So B1 is called as, chemically it is called as thiamine, and it acts as a coenzyme for decarboxylases, and if there is a deficiency of this vitamin, that may lead to the condition called beriberi. So the next vitamin is vitamin B2. This is chemically called as riboflavin, and if this acts as coenzyme FAD and FMN in all metabolic pathways. Okay, so if there is a deficiency of this vitamin in the body, that may lead to the condition called as chelosis and keratitis. So next is vitamin B3. So this is chemically called as niacin or nicotinic acid. So this acts as a coenzyme NAD and NADP in oxidation reduction reactions. This deficiency of this may lead to pellagra. So next vitamin is vitamin B5. This is chemically called as pantothenic acid. So it acts as coenzyme A in metabolisms. Okay, next it leads to the conditions, the deficiency of this may leads to the conditions called dermatitis in chickens and early aging in man. So vitamin 6 B6 is chemically called as pyridoxine. So this acts as coenzyme in amino acid and glycogen synthesis, and this deficiency of this vitamin may leads to the convulsions in children. So the next vitamin is vitamin B7. It is also chemically called as biotin, and it involves in carboxylation and decarboxylation processes, and deficiency of this may leads to muscular pain and growth failure. So next is vitamin B9. This is chemically called as folic acid, and it helps in formation and maturation of RBCs. So this deficiency of this vitamin leads to the condition called anemia. So next vitamin is vitamin B12. So this is chemically called as cyanocobalamin. It helps in formation and maturation of RBCs, and deficiency of this vitamin may lead to the condition called anemia. So Both vitamin B12 and B9, they are considered as hematopoietic vitamins. Next we'll move on to vitamin C. So vitamin C is chemically called as ascorbic acid, and it acts as an antioxidant. It helps in functioning of RBCs and antibodies. So for it is good for teeth and also gums. So it deficiency of this may leads to scurvy. So that's it for today. So this is about the chemical name, function, and the deficiency symptom of each vitamin. Hope this video is useful for you. If it is useful, please do comment it below, and if you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel.